What are the core differences between biological microscopes and fluorescence microscopes? You'll know after watching this video. Biological microscopes illuminate samples with visible light, magnify them through objective and eyepiece lenses, and can show basic cell structures such as cell walls and nuclei. They are suitable for observing colored or stained samples, are easy to operate, have low costs, and are commonly used in middle school experiments. Fluorescence microscopes are different. They irradiate with excitation light of specific wavelengths, making fluorescent substances in the sample emit light, and then form images through filters. They can accurately observe specific substances labeled with fluorescence, such as proteins and DNA. Above all, biological microscopes show overall outlines and are suitable for basic observation. Fluorescence microscopes show specific details and are mostly used in scientific research, such as cancer research and virus detection. They are more complex to operate and have higher costs. Each has its own focus, just choose according to your needs. If you want to upgrade your biological microscope to a fluorescence microscope without spending a lot, you can try Hot Fluorescence Module, which can easily upgrade your microscope to a fluorescence microscope. Follow us to learn more about microscopy.